Hello everyone. If you're trying to watch Abema TV but find it unavailable in your region, I'll show you how to watch Abema TV outside Japan. In this tutorial, we'll use NordVPN to bypass the restrictions and enjoy Abema TV from anywhere in the world. A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to change your virtual location by routing your internet connection through a server in another country. For Abema TV, you'll need to connect to a server in Japan. This tricks Abema TV into thinking you're browsing from Japan, giving you full access to its content. The first step is to download and install NordVPN. You'll find a link in the description below that will take you directly to the NordVPN website. Use that link to sign up for an account and take advantage of any available discounts. Once you've signed up and installed the app, launch NordVPN and log in. On the main dashboard, you'll see a map or a list of countries. Locate Japan and connect to one of its server, or search for Japan in search bar and connect it. NordVPN has several high-speed servers in Japan, ensuring smooth streaming with no interruptions. After connecting to the Japanese server, you can confirm your virtual location by checking your IP address. Simply search for "What's my IP" using any search engine or visit an IP checker website. Your IP address should now show as being in Japan. Once confirmed, you'll be able to access Abema TV as if you were in Japan. Open the Abema TV website or app, refresh the page, and you'll now have full access to all the content available to Japanese users. One of the great things about NordVPN is that it not only works seamlessly with Abema TV, but also offers excellent security and privacy features. With its NordLynx protocol, you get fast and stable connections, making it ideal for streaming. Additionally, you can secure up to 6 devices with a single subscription, so you can enjoy Abema TV on your phone, laptop, or even your smart TV. And NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try it risk-free and decide if it's the right VPN for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price.